Today we're doing all 6 of the most common service resets ourselves on 3 different cars with something that lives in my glove box, the ICARZONE UR300. Rugged handheld, fits in one hand, and it does the same dealer resets as the big tablets. Running total of savings starts now. Savings. Find your OBD2 port under the dash, driver's side on almost every car since 1996. Plug in and the ICARZONE UR300 identifies the car automatically. No VIN typing, no setup. Here's the whole job, uncut. Tap service, tap oil reset. The scanner already knows the car, so it takes us straight to the right procedure, confirm and reset. That progress bar? That's the scanner talking to the ECU and zeroing the maintenance counter, and done. That's the entire dealer service. Service, EPB, and listen, that's the motor winding the piston back all by itself. Now the pads swap like any normal brake job. New pads in, wheel on, and back to the scanner. Run the calibration so the system relearns pad position. Hear it cycle? That's the parking brake testing itself. Engage, release, engage. No warning lights, full clamping force. This is exactly the procedure the dealership runs on the same kind of equipment. Wheels dead straight first. That's the one rule. Then service, steering angle, calibrate. The scanner walks you through it. Full left, full right, back to center, and it writes the new zero into the module. Watch the live angle reading. That's real-time data straight from the sensor. Straight road, straight wheel, 0 degrees on the readout, no lights. That's a proper calibration. Outside, engine warm, nothing flammable near the exhaust. This gets hot, that's the point. Service DPF Forced Regeneration confirm. Now watch the live data, because this is the show. Exhaust temp climbing past 600 degrees, soot load falling, differential pressure dropping. The scanner is holding the engine in exactly the right state to burn the filter clean. Rig incomplete, soot load from 85% down to 12. Lights off, powers back. Service, battery registration. It asks what we fitted, type and capacity straight off the label, a GM 70 amp hours. Register, done. And look at the live data, charging voltage just changed. The car is now managing a brand new battery, not babying a dead one. TPMS Relearn, and the scanner shows the order. Left front, right rear, left rear. Hold it by the valve stem, wait for the beep. That's the sensor waking up and handing over its new ID. 4 wheels, 4 beeps, and the scanner writes them all to the car. Everything you watched ran on the ICARZONE UR300. A rugged handheld with all system diagnostics, bidirectional control, BMW and VAG ECU coding, and 48 service functions, small enough to live in the glove box. Lifetime free updates, 0 subscription. Check your car, grab the tool, and stop paying for button presses. ICARZONE, your car, your zone. www.icarzone.com